Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the Bit Squad, where our mission is to help you gain financial freedom through crypto assets. If you like the way that sounds, do me a favor. Tap the like button, smack it, smash it, whatever you want to do. Give it a smash. All right, this is Around the Blockchain. My name is Justin. It's not DZ. It's not J-Chains. This is NFT Justin here to host the show today. And let's see who we have on the show. We got Crypto Blood in the house.
Yeah, so Justin was saying, why is Russia sticking their head into this Ukraine thing? No, why are we sticking our head in our business? You know, it's none of our business, you know.
It's to protect the United States dollar, though, and you know that. And Russia has used Bitcoin in the past to get around sanctions. You know, just so
so back in 2014, you had Russia and Cyprus. You know, a lot of Russian billionaires were ciphering off Bitcoin over to Cyprus. That's where they were hiding their money and stuff. So when that was exposed, they had to flee. So yeah, like Rice said, it's nothing new. But as far as, you know, Russia and Ukraine, let's just leave them alone. Let them do what they want to do, and let's worry about our situation here in the United States. Inflation 7.5%, highest it's been in 30-something years.
Shout out to that CPI.
We've got, and it's really higher than that. You know, they changed the goal. They move the goalposts every 5 minutes on what the CPI is. But hey, that's another conversation. But we need to worry about what's going on here in America. A lot of people are struggling, and you know, these prices are getting
Monday's Federal Reserve emergency meeting. That's
the emergency meeting. All right, real quick, guys. It's unfortunate. Global politics does kind of rule so many things, you know, over here. Blood, let me throw it back at you, man. Should people still see Bitcoin as a hedge against financial destabilization during a time like this?
No, I'm a firm believer in that. Bitcoin is a risk-on asset. So if we have a war, we have any type of economic issues, listen, Bitcoin's going to sell off with the rest of these asset classes, stocks, bonds. It's going to sell off, and it's going to sell off harder, in my opinion. Now, the bounce back, the recovery, yes, you want to be in cryptos because it's going to go up faster than any other asset. It's going to recover faster than any other asset class. So that's kind of the take that I'm, you know, taking on that one.
Yeah, that's true. You know, as volatile as crypto is, it's volatile to the upside and to the downside. But usually if you see a huge increase to the downside, you see a dramatic push to the top. So I would definitely agree with that. Blood, let me ask you something. Do you see this being a sound investment? If you were one of these companies, would you spend $7 million for a 30-second ad?
Oh, for sure. They're gonna make $7 million in a week off commissions. Like crypto exchanges are one of the most profitable business to be in, ladies and gentlemen. So yes, it's definitely worth it. They'll make their money back within a month easily. Actually, less than that.
I would agree with that. Yeah, the referral game is strong. Cue the lightning on the screen. Let it go around. We got the lightning question right now. Lightning! Golly, I love that. All right, so we're talking about the Super Bowl. Which QB had the biggest glow up this season? Now, I had to be taught what glow up actually means, so hopefully everybody else does. Joe Burrow or Matthew Stafford?
Look, you know where I am. I'm in Detroit, right? You know, so we always lose the players, and then they go on to have successful careers. Another example, okay? We've got Matthew Stafford. He was with us for years, struggling, couldn't win a game. Blah, blah, blah. Look at him. He's in the Super Bowl, man. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Go.
So I'm going with Matt Stafford.
Yeah. All right, good choice. If a DeFi platform like PancakeSwap is banning countries, is it really a DeFi platform?
Here's the thing, though, fellas. The code is actually decentralized. It's the user interface that everyone is interacting with, their website that's centralized. So that's how they can go ahead and geofence and not allow people to interact with the contract from a user interface standpoint. You can still, if you know what you're doing, access the smart contracts around and circumvent their website. But who's doing that, right? So
you know, it is what it is too, as well.
That made a point. That made 2 points. Those are good points.
What would prompt PancakeSwap to do this?
Pressure from the governments, right? That's what it always boils down to. So that's where you have to understand.
But it's a strange list. I mean, if you look at some of the, I mean, Sudan You know, why would they?
These are countries that didn't have. These are countries that banks were not part of. This the central.
They're not part of the IMF. If you look at that, those
they're not part of the
are
IMF.
most likely not part of the IMF. It makes sense, and it may actually be coming from the IMF. You know, IMF is really pressuring El Salvador. They're going to continue to do those types of things. So when you have those central points of failure, that's where we have to be more resilient in crypto and start these DAOs and start getting those types of organizations set up, because then we're definitely unstoppable.
That pushed Blood over the edge. He is the winner today. What a great episode. Really appreciate everybody coming on the show. Blood, what do you have? What do you want to leave as a parting gift to our viewers?
Oh man, first time winning. Thank you. Appreciate it. Just go over to Crypto Blood on YouTube and check me out on Twitter as well at @CryptoBlood_. Death Row Records. Shout out to my man Snoop Dogg for buying Death Row Records. We out of here.
Yeah, he got it. Can you believe that, man? I saw that today. I saw that today, man. He bought it.
I got one of those NFTs he dropped for $5K. I had to do it, man.
You have to.
My move. I know.
How is Suge? How do you think Suge's taking that?
Oh, that's gotta be, dude. That's gotta feel so horrible. Oh my
God.
Lost it to Snoop. One of your artists buys the record label you started and you're in jail.
Built and started. Yeah. All right, guys. Hey.